What's going on guys, CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a ghost effect in Vegas Pro 15. So this is the raw footage of the clip you saw at the start. Now what you need to do is have your video on a tripod, one position the entire time. So you can see this is the start where I'm just sitting there, and then the next part is when this part would be the ghost part. And you can see I'm not currently in shot, this is all the raw footage. Pretty simple to record. Another thing I should mention, if you are next to windows and you're doing this during daylight, watch out for shadows. Now, the first thing you're going to be doing is coming across on your video to the part where you want the effect to happen. Now you can see, I know I want it to happen here when I get my head up, because that's of course when the ghost appears. So I'm going to go back just to here, and all I'm going to do is set this to best and full. This is going to make sure this is in the maximum resolution. I'm then going to come up to here and select Save Snapshot to File. Now you can call it whatever you want and save it to wherever you want to, and then you can see it's going to appear in our projects media. Drag and drop this above your track, and as you can see, line it up with where you took that screenshot. Then drag this across the entire duration of the video. So now if I play this through, you can see I was moving a bit here. I was supposed to be still, but it doesn't matter. And right here, everything is now going to be still. Nothing's going to happen because we've added that screenshot on top. Now the next thing is how we make the ghost effect happen, which is really simple. What we're going to do where that screenshot is, we're just going to lower the opacity. Simple as that. Now it's up to you how strong you want the ghost to be. If you want it to be very faint, then keep this opacity high. If you want him to be super visible, then of course bring the opacity down a lot. Now I'm going to go with about 80% here. And remember, the opacity we have lowered is on the screenshot, not the actual video footage. Now I'm going to play it through, and this is now what we have. So right now, it's gone to the still screenshot. As you can see, I am now moving, acting as a ghost. And you can see I am very faint in this one. And I do believe this makes it look a lot more realistic if you have it a lot more faint like this. And just like that, I walk off. And that's how simple it is to create a ghost effect in Vegas Pro 15.